Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my dirty wheels on my car. But you can see I've got them all scratched up and scraped up. And so what I decided to get here with this, look at this, this is a black cover. So I'm gonna change it from silver on my Tesla here to a black cover. And I'm gonna show you guys how it works here. If you look at it, you see there's the little indent there. So I'm guessing that's gonna be where the valve stem is. So right there, oh yeah, it kind of finds its way in there. So let's see, so it's gonna be there. Look at that, it snaps on that quick, and now look, now I've got black wheels, so check it out. Look how nice these are. These ones here, they don't have an emblem on it or anything like that, so if you're going for that sleek look where you like to take off all the emblems of the car and stuff like that, this is going to give you that look here. It gives you that super clean look. It's snapped on. I mean, this isn't going anywhere. I noticed it also came with like this tape, so you can put this on there too if you needed it to. If it wasn't making a good seal, I guess, around the edge or whatever, you could use that too. So it's super cool. So check these out. I'm just going to drive a little back and forth so you can see what it looks like when it rolls a little. So check it out. So that's how it looks. So pretty cool, huh? Nice wheels. Super easy to put on, and if you'd ever wanted to take them off, I think you just kind of pull them off the same way. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.